digging myself a hole here, I think. Yep. Good morning, Internet! Welcome here in the Sahara deserts. What am I doing? I am going for a local ride today around the dunes. It's probably around 100 kilometers into the desert, and then I'm gonna come back here and stay tonight again, one more night. But before I do, I am going to fill up. I don't need to fill up my extra tank as well at the rear. I'm just going to keep the rear light. I'm also not bringing all my luggage. I just brought tools and water, that sort of thing. But I'm trying to keep it as light as possible today because, well, I'll be hitting some sand. And the lighter the bike, the easier that will be. First I'm gonna hunt for a petrol station. Here we are. See, it's open. Right, that's all done. Got some fuel. Let's see if I can actually cut straight across here. So today's ride, it's all about these dunes. So where I'm staying, where I have been staying, is right at the edge of the dune field. And this dune field is called Erg Chebbi and has some of the largest, tallest dunes in Morocco. Up to 150 meters, I think. Yeah, it's time to lower my tire pressure. But I kind of have the same dilemma as I had in the last ride when I kind of arrived here, is that in between those really soft patches, you have stretches where the sand has been blown away by the wind into the dunes, and it's kind of a rocky subsurface, and I don't want to ride with a very low tire pressure over the rocks because chances are pretty high that I'll get a puncture. So I'll have to find the right balance between being able to get through the soft sand and not get a puncture. See, this is what I mean with the rocky subsurface. Try some little dunes, some baby dunes. Okay, a bit more power. Yeah, it is time to lower my tire pressure because it's getting a little bit ridiculous. That should be better. Rear tire. All right, let's try that again. lot better. A lot better. Come on, come on. Trying to follow the camel tracks. Maybe I should have gone there. Now I'm kind of stuck halfway up. Come on. Digging myself a hole here, I think. Yep, nice hole. But look where I am. Pretty amazing, right? Time to dig her out, I suppose. Getting hot. Even without most of my luggage, she's still quite heavy. It's a heavy bike. Of course, I just filled up with petrol too, to last the whole day. Tyre is free. Yes, this is good. Good enough. Enough. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Woo. Well. Okay. Woo. Yee, finally. I made it out. That was a good morning workout. Fabulous. Oh, this is so much easier with the type of bike I was riding on the Baja Rally. That weighs like 50 kilograms less and has double the power. It's definitely a bit easier with more power and a lighter bike. But hey, I did it. See, these are broken dunes, so if you're coming from the other side, then suddenly the dune is just a vertical wall on the other side. It's super dangerous when you're riding dunes. Here, see as well? I'm approaching a small town called Merdan. This is, I think, one of the edges of the Erg Chebbi dune field. So I'm gonna go around to the other side. Little desert town. I'm a little bit lost. I'm trying to find my way through this town, but I keep on encountering military bases. I need to go down that way, but I don't know how to get there. Yeah, it's this way. This way. What a landscape, right? Unbelievable. This desert is just amazing. Now I have the big dunes on my right hand side, and I'm going to wrestle through just kind of normal sandy tracks. Some people living here. Wow. Hi. There's definitely a lot more people living here than I imagined. Pretty much all around the edges of the sand dune field. Sometimes they have tents, sometimes little houses. These. The color of the sand is just gorgeous, isn't it? Really pretty. Yeah, so sand like this can handle pretty well with Alaska, but really hitting the dunes, it's just a little bit too heavy for that, with not enough power, I'm afraid. Maybe this is a nice place to take a little break under this tree. Just been going. I bought dates in town. How nice and juicy they look. And well, they go by the kilo. So I didn't necessarily want to buy a kilo of dates, but they don't come any smaller. 45 dirham for 1 kilogram of dates. And they are so good. I love them. All right, let's tackle some more sand. Salam alaikum. Wash lebez? Ah, now he's gonna divert the water. Ah, yes, yeah.
A second, then they follow until sunset.
Ah, yeah. And then they move again.
To other family from sunset to middle night.